A couple of you wanted to know a little bit more about this thing, the Woods TSG50 Stump grinder. Right there's the up-down cylinder, side-to-side cylinder, and here's all the valving and all that interesting stuff. I had those put on as an option there. And this right here is the switch for the side-to-side and up and down control. I'll go start it up real quick. Not the best base possible, but I guess it works for now until I make it a little wider. And I took the cover off for a little while because it was plugging everything up. I'd grind and grind and grind, and it just all gather up there and plug everything up, so I took it off. It shoots a little way out, but that's all right. It's a mess here anyway right now after the hurricane. But yeah, that's the wood stump grinder.